Today, we are making Kesar Baadam Laddus, a simple, delicious Indian sweet packed with saffron and almond flavors. Let's get started. Start by adding a quarter teaspoon of saffron strands to 1 tablespoon of warm milk in a small bowl. Watch as a wooden spoon gently mixes them, letting the golden hues infuse into the milk. Take 1 cup of almonds and dry roast them in a pan on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. A wooden ladle gently stirs them until they turn lightly golden and release a nutty aroma. Then, pour them into a ball to cool slightly. Once cooled, grind the roasted almonds into a coarse powder using a blender. It should look grainy, not too fine. In a mixing bowl, start by pouring the coarse almond powder into an empty bowl. Pour in a 1/4 cup of sugar, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Next, add the saffron-infused milk. And finish with 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. Then, mix it all together with your hands until it forms a sticky golden dough, like kneading chapati dough. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into smooth balls. Watch as the dough transforms into perfect laddus, ready to enjoy. Your Kesar Baadam Laddus are ready. Arrange them on a plate and savor this delightful treat. Perfect for any occasion.